Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I want to do question number 25 from the June 2024 Algebra 1 Regents exam. I'm going to do this two ways. I'm going to do it algebraically, but I'm also going to do it graphically. Now, if you just do this graphically using your calculator and you just write your answer, you get 1 point. If you show the algebra and get the right answer, you get 2 points. So I'm going to show you how to do it graphically, and then go from there. So the very first thing I'm going to do, I see it's an inequality. It's not an equation, it's an inequality. They want me to do it algebraically. I'm going to do that, but I'm going to find the answer first. I always like to know what the answer is before I start to do the algebra, because once I do the algebra, when I get to the end, I know if it's right or not, or I can feel pretty sure about that. So whenever you have an inequality, you can graph it, but you have to graph it as a relation. So let me show you exactly what I mean. I'm going to go here. I'm going to delete the equal sign. And then I'm going to make this a relation. And then I'm just going to type in the entire inequality. Everything that I saw, parentheses, everything. X minus 2. Oops, wow, that was horrible. Let me get rid of that. It's 5, parentheses, X minus 2. I'm not sure. Oh, hold on. Let me try that again. What's going on? 5, parentheses, and then X minus 2. All right. I'm double clicking for some reason. Close the parentheses. And then I'm going to use the inequality. It's less than or equal to, so I'm going to go here. Control equal gives me the inequalities. And then I'm going to do 3x plus 20, 3x. Wow. Plus 20. I'm not sure why it's double clicking. All right, so here is the inequality. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to press enter. Now, you don't see anything except a bunch of shading. Please don't panic. All you have to do now, and pretty much anytime you graph something as a relation, you should always remember this key, menu 51. So menu 51 is going to go to the boundaries. And here is the boundary. So I'm going to pull it over even a little bit more. You can see that the boundary, the X value is 15. And the most important thing, or the second most important thing, is the shading is to the left of 15. So basically that means anything to the left or less than 15 is going to be a solution. So anything less than or anything to the left of 15 is a solution. Now, let me show you how you would write that. So if I go here, that means my answer is going to be X has to be less than or equal to 15. That's the answer. We just saw it. I'm going to go back, show you that once more. So if I go look at this, you can see that the boundary starts at 15 and it's everything to the left. So that's your answer. All right, now I'm going to show you the algebra now. So we go back here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do distribution. So 5 times x is 5x. 5 times a negative 2 is a negative 10, less than or equal to 3x plus 20. All right, now we're going to move the x's to one side and the constants to the other side. So I'm going to subtract 3x from this side, and whatever I do to the left, or whatever I do to the right, I got to do to the left and vice versa. So this is going to cancel, which is why I'm doing it. So I'm going to have 20 on this side. And over here, this is going to be 2x, and it's minus 10. Now, last thing, or the next thing I got to do is get this minus 10 to the other side. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to add 10 to both. So this is going to be 30, and this is going to be 2x. And the last thing you're going to do is divide by 2, divide by 2. And of course, 30 divided by 2 is 15. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that's our answer. But what I would say, even in the constructor response, if they give you an equation, if they give you an inequality and they ask you to solve it, graph it first, find out what the answer is or what the solutions are, and then do the algebra. All right, that's it. I'm done with this one. Most people didn't do very well on this question, and it surprised me because all you really had to do in order to get half credit was just graph it. So I got to put a little bit more emphasis on it. We have to get these kinds of points. All right, I'm going to stop this and I'm going to post it.